Nut cheese. Nut cheese. Nut cheese. Nut cheese. Hi, I'm Kat and I love my Instant Pot. Instant Pot keeps me on a razor edge of extreme ecstasy or worry about my own personal safety. It's fun. It's the holidays, I think, and Instant Pot is having a friend over to celebrate. Welcome, Food Processor. Food Processor is vegan and convinced Instant Pot that we're vegan too. So we're making a delightful vegan version of a holiday favorite, a cheese ball. Only it's a nut cheese ball. It's made with nuts. The nuts are lying to you. We've been soaking these nuts for a while. These are cashews. They've been soaking because dry nuts aren't good for anyone. Instant Pot, is it okay that I'm touching your friend? The nuts are going to go into Food Processor. Is that all right with you, Food Processor? You're fine with the damp nuts going into you, and right now that's great. So long as they're not meat. Vegans don't eat meat or anything that comes from an animal. It's probably great to be a vegan. The only problem is you have to put a trap outside your house for Morrissey because he will show up. We've also got nut cream cheese. I didn't make the cream out of these nuts. They were just that way. It's also a lie. It's not really cream or cheese. It's just nuts. We've got nutritional yeast too. Hippies enjoy it. This won't do the same thing to me as other things that hippies like, but it's all right. We've got garlic. Keep the vampires away. I wish a vampire would visit. Food Processor, how do you and Instant Pot know each other? That's kinky. Lemon zest. Olive oil, which is what olives put in their car to make them go. Lemon blood. Here's garlic powder, in case you meet any powdery vampires. Smoked paprika. This is annatto, which vegans also use to lie about cheese. We have salt. It's monster repellent. And these funny little peppers. In with the nuts they go. Hey, Food Processor, what are you doing for the holidays? Do you want to come over and spend Nutmas with us? Oh, you crack me up. We're gonna blend these all together. May I touch you? May I touch your button? Instant Pot, would it be all right if I touched your friend's button? I'm going to scrape down the sides. Things are trying to escape up the sides. I wouldn't know what that's like. I wouldn't do that. The parties are too good. It's time to release the nut cheese. Nut cheese, nut cheese. What's the best thing about being a vegan, Food Processor? Do all vegans get to hang out with Paul McCartney? One by one, every day. That's so nice. That's enough nut cheese. We're just gonna form it into a little ball. You know what's great on top of nut cheese? More nuts! Food Processor, you ready to help me make more nuts? I like how accommodating you are. It's nice when someone says yes to you instead of no all the time, or says yes and then it's a trick. More nuts. More nutritional yeast, there we go. More smoked paprika. I think I remember parties from out there in the world. There were sometimes clowns. No clowns will ever be here. Clowns won't emerge from either one of you. Here's salt. Are clowns and monsters the same thing? I don't know, I don't see anyone, but you can tell me. Write to me. I made a nut crust to put on the outside of the nut cheese ball. Just want to get it all nice and nutty and crusty, cheesy. Press those in a little bit. Is that a clown? Is it a Morrissey clown? Is this a trap? Is this a trap? It's cheese, and it's also not cheese. Let's see how it tastes. These are also not regular crackers. These are crackers that are made with seeds and other things that are lies to being crackers. My body is lying to me. It does think it's eating cheese. My brain knows this isn't cheese, that it's a lie made with nuts, but my mouth is convinced that this is delicious cheese. What sorcery have you done? Are you working with the clowns? I don't care, it's really good cheese. I'm just gonna keep eating this. Bye, happy holidays. Eat some nut cheese.